Customer states my 2017 Mercedes-Benz S550 is making a squeaking noise during turning. Let's find the noise. All right, this may be a pretty simple one. Look right here. This is your ball joint protective boot that's torn. You can see all the rust in there. So when you're turning, that's the squeaking sound that we're hearing. Also, you can see the breakdown here in the rust from this center bushing here. So that comes with the arm. We're going to do 2 arms. Okay, so this is a new customer. I allowed him to bring the 2 control arms in. I never heard this brand before. All my import guys, let me know if you ever heard of this before. But we're going to get these 2 control arms replaced. All right, here we go. I'm not sure if this is an issue. These bushings are cracked or cut already before we put them in. I don't know if they cracked them, injected some silicone in them, but this is just a difference in aftermarket parts opposed